Yo traders, I'm really excited to have you guys once again. Yeah. Yes, I'm happy to have you guys connected to this channel right now. And this is part 4 of the best trading setup for the year 2024. Yes, guys, last year we took on some couple of trades and they were really beautiful. Yes, we had good moments, and then we also had, the bad moments, which is always part of the game. We don't shy away from that. But then in this series, I'm talking about good setups we were able to catch in the year 2024. Yes, beautiful setup, best setup for the year 2024, and this is part 4. So right now, I want to say a very big welcome to you guys, and my name is Eme Ebube. For those of you who have been able to crack my name already, yes, because I know some persons are already asking, "What's your name? What's your name?" Yes, my name is Eme Ebube. For those of you who are on the Discord community already, who have joined our Discord community, you'll see my name popping. And most of you who have watched the videos already, some couple of videos, part 1, 2, 3, you would see my name on the Discord community. So my name is Eme Ebube, and I direct the activities of the TradeX option community. You want to call me CEO, you want to call me MD, you want to call me or whatever, guys. I'm not out for the name. I'm just out to dish out value to make sure that we grow and then we have massive cash outs for the year 2025. That is my objective for this year. So that is why you see me being consistent with dropping a lot of amazing values for you guys. So guys, you know how we do it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification. If you are new to this channel, make sure you do this. And if you are one who has been visiting and you've not done this, why now? Why? Do it immediately now, man. Do it. We want you to do it right now, because we are going into something amazing. This is part 4 of the best trade setup for the year 2024. So guys, let's hop into the community on Discord. Yes, guys, I'll be dropping the link in the description, so you can go to the the description and make sure you hit on the link to join our community on Discord. Do that. Join this community, guys. See, you cannot be missing out. Oh, can you see how we were busy cashing out some good opportunities from the market? So guys, let me not talk so much on that. If you like, you miss out. If you like, you join. But then I know you guys are gonna join. Okay, so guys, quickly, you can look at this. This is on the 21st. Okay, this 21st of November, which was a Thursday. And then for those of you who watched the previous video I dropped, which is part 3, the trade we took was on the 20th. It was a counter trend, or a counter trade falling into a very significant area on the 1 hour, and it is from that same significant place where the market dropped in we are going to be taking this buy setup. So you saw that we took a buy. It was a buy trade, but we had to use a buy limit, left our TP open, but most importantly had our SL tightly fixed. And for those of you who think I am capping, who think that maybe this guy, all he just does is just come here and cap, okay, so you saw me say our setup got activated. This was around 4:53 or so, and we are presently in massive profit, guys. I was excited. I beg, who makes money and is not excited? I beg. So guys, if you look carefully again, you would see this. You would see the trade running in profits. Yeah, you'd see our execution. So these are execution right here. So you can see the trade execution right here. We got activated. You could also see the trade here doing marvelously well. Okay, so guys, I went on to tell my community, you can close your trades, guys. We have made some good profit for the day again. So that's just it. Okay, and so let's go to the chart. Okay, let's go to the chart. I don't want us to talk so much about this. Okay, so you can see clearly trade call, setup got activated, and then trade going in profits, and all that. So let's go to the chart and let me demystify. Let me demystify, what is going on here. Okay, so guys, we're on the chart, and then we are looking at the 21st of November, if I'm not mistaken. So this is 21st of November here. Yeah, this 21st of November. And as we do, I'm going to bring out the replay. Okay guys, so I would not be doing so much from the top down analysis. Why? Because in the previous video I have been able to explain what happened here and why we are going to be looking for buys. Okay, I've already explained what happened in the previous video, so make sure you find part 3 and watch part 3. If you've not watched part 3, please go and watch part 3. If not, you might not understand so much of what we'll be doing in this part 4 right now. So guys, so quickly, we want to scale down back to the 1 hour time frame. We don't want to just waste our time. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, right now, as you can see, we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you guys can see. So quickly, let's highlight this region. So this was where we sold to in part 3. We sold to this point in part 3. For those of you who remembered, we sold into this point in part 3, and now we can see the market going all the way to the upside. So prior to that, we want to see what price did inside here. Okay, starting on Thursday, I want to see what price did inside here on Thursday, because this was where our trade got framed. Okay, or better still, our trade got framed somewhere around here. So we want to see what the market started doing. You grab. So guys, let's play this until Thursday. So guys, you can see that move going on. You can see this move going on, and voila, we are in Thursday morning. Can you see that? We are in Thursday morning, and this is exactly around 10 o'clock. This candle is the 10 o'clock candle, and this candle here is the 8 o'clock candle. So we we just want to bring this here an horizontal line to demarcate that point for us. So guys, you can see that. Okay, so I think I'm comfortable with this position. So guys, looking at this, I also want to use the replay button again. From here, I want to use the replay button again so that we can see clearly from this time. Thank you. So we can see clearly from this particular time right here. So this is the 7 o'clock candle, and this is 8 o'clock candle, and we'll scale down to what time frame right now? We're going to scale down to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the 1 hour fair value gap the market tapped into, if you remembered, for those of you who watched part 3. So let's watch what happened here. So you saw price rallied all the way to the upside, so you could see clearly that the buy move had already started as of Wednesday. But I was already interested. I got some good profit. I wasn't interested in the buy on that same Wednesday. I was just okay with what I had already done for that day. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame quickly, guys. Okay guys, so right now, as you can see, we're on the 15 minutes time frame, and I want to begin to play this so that you can on your own identify some very key things. So first of all, before I even begin to play that, let's label out some places. So guys, look at this level here. Can you see this level here? this what Asian low. Okay, so we are anticipating buys, so I'm concerned about Asian low being swept. Okay, this is the lowest price prior to 8 o'clock. Okay, this is the lowest price, and I'm anticipating this being swept, and I'm also anticipating that the market comes in into this imbalance that was formed when the market rallied all the way to the upside. Guys, see, one thing you want to do is keep trading simple. Keep it simple. If you can't see it, don't do it. Like, if you can't see it, if you can't spot it with your eyes, then don't trade it. I'm telling you the truth, don't trade it, because most times, a lot of times, you want to keep this thing too complex, confusing yourselves. You don't need to be doing that. Trust me. See, this is it here. I've told you guys, for those of you who have been following with the videos I've been dropping, I've talked about two things that will always drop price. One is imbalance. Are we together? Imbalance will always drop price. It will always attract price. It's like a magnet. Liquidity is also like a magnet. The price is always interested in it. So guys, let me not say too much. Let me play from here, and let's see if we would enter into this imbalance and also sweep this right here. So you could see, as at 8 o'clock, nothing, not sweep. We didn't sweep that. Boom. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? What candle was this? This was the 10 o'clock 10 15 candle, just tapped in into that level, guys. And in the first video I made for this year, I said something about whenever you see a liquidity, like now, look at this. Price wants to grab liquidity, wants to grab this liquidity, wants to take this liquidity, and also below that liquidity lies an imbalance. Can you see this imbalance here? Below that liquidity lies an imbalance. Guys, anytime you see position like this, just begin to set your money, because you're about to make something beautiful. See, I'm not capping, I'm telling you the truth. If you go and watch the first video I created, okay, the first video for the year, that's the part 1 of my best trade series, you will see that this is the same exact model, that was traded. That is the same model we are trading right now. Like, the exact model, the same blueprint is what we are trading right now. So guys, trust me. Once you have an idea of these things, you don't need to be looking for too many things in the chart. You will just be catching it, like you go to catch it like water. I they tell you. Hey, for my pigeon brothers. Okay guys, so let's continue, I beg. So let me just keep playing this, and let's see what other significant thing price did. Okay, so guys, at this point you see that we are taking out this level. Okay, price tapped in here, and you could see that we've taken out this level. We're going into this point. So guys, let's see if we have anything significant playing out around here, because trust me, I always want to catch my entries at this points, this region. But then if we don't, the market will definitely pull back, give us an entry. But definitely, I believe so strongly, we have something in here for us. So let's go on. Let's go on the 5 minutes. So guys, as you can see right now, we are on the 5 minutes. So we've tapped in here, and then you can see clearly price is running all the way to the upside. So guys, permit me to explain something to you guys again. I did it in the last video. That was our part 3. I did it in the part 3, but please permit me to do it in here right now, and trust me, it is really going to help you guys. So let's go back, and let me mark these 2, and activate the drawing tool. Okay, so guys, so let me show you something. Asia ranged. Okay, can you see this? Asia is ranging. Asia is ranging. Can you see this? Asia is ranging. And then London opened, took Asia. Can you see that? Took Asian low. Same London rallied again, manipulated, took Asian what? high. Okay, so what are we waiting for? We're waiting for London to pull back in here, enter into a fair value gap, a very significant fair value gap, and do what? Rally all the way to the upside. Trust me, this thing always plays out. The market always has a way of always playing these things out. So guys, having an understanding of this, it is obvious that we already have our setup. Why? Asia ranged. We could see this. We could see price break below Asia, tap into a fair value gap inside this point, and we could see price rallying. So let's play this and let's see something significant happening. So we played. So you can see price doing, and I want us to watch this together. So imagine you are on the chart right now and you're seeing all this movement. You would have felt that, oh, price has left you, but trust me, you are not seeing something. Let's expand this. Why this plays? Let's expand this. I want to show you a region here. Can you see this place? We have a very, very significant entry point here. So all we did that day was to come long on that position. What did we do? We put our entry here, just here. That was where we have that entry. Okay, that was where we had our entry, and you could see the markets running down towards that point. So let me just pause this a little here. So I'm pausing this here. So you could see, where do we have our entry? Oh my god. Okay, take you out. Oh, now I remember. I know what's going on. Okay guys, I've closed that. I've turned that off. Turned you off. So guys, you can see this here. So these are entry level. Okay, and just to be very, very conservative, we had our stop loss a little bit below here. Okay, just a little bit below here, and then our first profit target was this high. So you see this high the market had already created here. That's our first profit target. That was a 1 to 4, but then we are doing about, I think we went as far as this, almost a 1 to 5 on that trade. So let's watch how this kept on playing for us. Okay, so let's watch how it kept playing for us. Tapped in. Can you see that? We tapped in. And then the trade is playing already. So our trade got activated already, and we're watching. We're watching the chart do its magic, do its own thing. So let's watch it. Okay. Can watch it. You can see the chart doing its own thing. Okay. Very, very simple, guys. you don't need to complicate things. You don't, trust me, you don't need to complicate things. You don't need to keep it very hard and very difficult for one to, to understand. Just always keep trading simple. Always keep trading simple, and I tell you the truth, you'll be on your way to the top. Can we see it? We are already achieving our first profit target for the day. First TP is already getting smashed. TP1 is already getting smashed. At this point, someone is going to be scared. Oh, the trade is already going against me. Oh, what if it goes against me? That's a lie. Okay, the reason it's not going to go against us is because we already have an idea of higher time frame. We are not just trading based on what we see here. No, we're trading from a very, very, very high time frame. From the daily time frame, we scale down to the 4 hours, we scale down to the 1 hour. This level you are seeing here originates from the 1 hour. Okay, it's not just on the 5 minutes. So you can see the market pulled back and started going up, taking out here. Okay, so let's continue watching. Voila, can you see that? We swept out that high, Swept out the high. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, chats. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so I don't want to give this too long with us waiting for this to play out. So guys, you can see so clearly that this is exactly how you look out for opportunities. Okay, so in one of my next videos I'm going to be creating, that is not going to be in this series, that is going to be in a separate, in a separate video. I'm going to be teaching my entry model, how I am able to spot out these entries. I'm going to tell you what sections I look out for opportunities and all that. So you want to really go right now and smash the notification bell, like hit it if you've not done it. Make sure that you are ready to receive notifications from this channel, TradeX Options. Make sure you go ahead to do that, and also make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed at all, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And lastly, if you found this video really helpful and you really love the content we are dropping in here, make sure you like this video, because trust me, this is an amazing value we have been able to drop for you to position yourself very well for the new year. Trust me, guys, this is really going to be beautiful. It's going to really be amazing, guys. So guys, that's it. You can see first profit smashed and the market is still trading on and on. So guys, that is how we look for setups. This is how we benefit from setups. And for those of you who have sticked around, you see that I gave you proofs that these trades were dropped in our community, and I show you how we are able to analyze this trade. Not just only analyzing this trade, how we are able to utilize this trade for our own profiting. So guys, see you in the next video. See you in the next video, guys. Make sure you stay profitable in the year 2025. And if you have not joined the community on Discord, go to the description right now and hit the link, subscribe, just join the link on use the link to join our community on Discord. We drop amazing trade opportunities in there. We drop educational contents to help you stay highly profitable. And then we have we started our weekend master classes. They are weekend master classes. We also have midweek classes, and then we have the beginning of the week Monday classes. So you don't want to miss out from any of this at all. So guys, go ahead, join us on Discord. Join us on Discord, guys. So see you guys later. Have a great time.